Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you if you are getting this error message wmic is not recognized as an internal or external command. It's a very important tool inside Windows which lets you manage your Windows management instrumentation command line. It's a command line utility that provides an interface for accessing and managing data and operations. So let me fix this error message. So for fixing this you need to go to the C drive and then you need to go to the Windows. This is a folder, and inside this there is a folder called as system32, which where all your operating system files are located. System32, and inside this you will find out this folder WBEM web. This is a folder, and inside this folder you will find out your wmic executable will be present. If you try to open command line here and type the same command, you will see now the command will be successful. You will be able to execute wmic command. So what you need to do is that you need to copy this entire path of this folder, right click, copy, and then just open environment variable and just go to the system variable and select path and just click edit, new entry, and paste this entire path. So as soon as you do this, just restart your terminal and again type the same command. You will see now you will be entered into the command line of wmic. As you can see, in this way you can fix this error message very simply by adding this in the environment variable. Thank you very much for watching this video. Also visit my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.